It's your girl, Ebonie Kane. We out here opening up for Plies. It's your girl, Ebonie Kane. And we do this till like yeah. I say I do this shit till like yeah. Grind hard. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. Blow strong. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. Sell home. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Go home. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. I be up until like 6, getting that paper, but I don't hit licks. I done turn tricks, but I get lit. Stoner, thinking about moving to Colorado. Cell phone be jumping like girls double dutching. All they wanna do is turn up. I have no job or no check at the end of the week, so I gotta stamp my paper up. No time to cake, blow niggas up. But what they be doing, I don't give a fuck. You ain't my nigga, so you ain't my problem. You need to go kick that shit with your old girl. Save all that drama or lose my number. Bump all that extra shit, leave me alone. I've been out all night, I'm tryna go home. Can't go nowhere till all this gone. Can't make it happen sitting down at home. Every chance I get, I'm tryna be gone. Don't have no problems with being alone. You don't have many problems when you be alone. I don't have knowledge of how people feel, cause I really don't care. That shit gets annoying. Ask me a question and I be like, what? Every time, to see if you'll stop talking. I know I'm up till like 6 in the AM. Grinding hard, rolling up faded. Cell phone be jumping like girls double dutching until it go dead and I hate it. Then I go home at like 6 in the AM. 2 hours of sleep, then I wake back to grinding till I make a way. And my people is straight and I'm getting it cake. Grind hard. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. Blow strong. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. Sell home. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Go home. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. Grind hard. I do this shit till like 6. Never complaining. I know what my aim is and I can't be stopped by a nigga or bitch. I will go on and then off like a switch. Got a short temper, I'm ready to flip, but never slipping on none of my pimping. You can't train a nigga, I now understand. I'm about to gas, yes ma'am I am, and I'm gon' get it like Uncle Sam. I will not split it with people against me, cause you wasn't with me when I didn't have. I stayed up till like 6 in the AM. Back up before time hits the PM. Move in the dark so the haters can't see her. See what it's like to even try to beat her. Gotta grind hard, get that paper. Only way that you ever gonna make it. On the grind so the bitches gon' hate ya. And the fake niggas, they can't take ya. I don't flex quick, fast, I replace ya. Niggas ain't built, little nigga, get your weight up. How dare you ever try to play her? You ain't no real bitch, shit official. I know I'm up till like 6 in the AM. Grinding hard, rolling up faded. Cell phone be jumping like girls double dutching until it go dead and I hate it. Then I go home at like 6 in the AM. 2 hours of sleep, then I wake back to grinding till I make a way. And my people is straight and I'm getting that cake. Grind hard. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. I do this shit till like 6 in the morning. Blow strong. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. I do that shit till like 6 in the morning. Sell home. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Man, that shit jump till like 6 in the morning. Go home. I do that shit at like 6 every morning. I do
so deep in this. Put your cell phones up right now. Put your cell phones up, record this shit right now. We about to do our motherfucking thing right now. Let's go. Fucking shoot on. June. I wanna have a lot of